Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. One single bar loaded with 33 grams of protein without any protein powder, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, all healthy, super tasty, high-protein chocolate bar made with just 3 ingredients, but tastes so good, and it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour a melted bar of dark chocolate into a bowl. Along with a third cup of almond flour. Next, mix it. And pour it into a chocolate mold. Add some freeze-dried strawberries on top. Let it cool. Now enjoy a super tasty and super powerful protein bar! Thanks for watching.